Lab 2, conditional statement is number 1, leap year checker. So, ito po yung output. And then, ito naman yung code. First line, piniprint lang yung title. And then, second line, hinihingi lang yung year. Fourth line, sine-check if yung year is divisible by 4 and hindi siya divisible by 100. Leap year siya o kaya naman yung year is divisible by 400, ipiprint lang din yung leap year. So, otherwise, not a leap year. Lab 2, number 2, triangle type identifier. So, ito yung output. And then, ito naman yung code. First line, i-print lang ulit yung title. Second to fourth line, hinihingi lang yung side 1, 2, and 3. So, this part, sine-check lang yung sum ng bawat side. So, if yung tatlong input equal to each other, mapiprint yung equilateral. Dito naman sa LU. If dalawa lang yung equal to each other, for example, yung input 1, equal siya sa input 2, magpiprint yung isosceles. Else, spelling. Yung spelling naman, if yung lahat ng sides wala siyang ka-equal or wala siyang kapareho, ayun yung spelling. And then, ito rin. Else, not a valid triangle. So, last sa lab 2 is number comparison game. Ito yung out. Hinahanap ko yung pinakamalaking number and check if even or odd. Ito naman yung code. First line, nagpiprint lang ulit na yung title. And then, hinihingi lang yung number 1, 2, and 3. So, this part naman, dito sine-check kung ano yung biggest number. So, for example, num1 is greater than or equal to num2, and num1 is greater than or equal to num3. So, rest is equal to num1. Sa elif naman, if elif num2 is greater than or equal to num1 and num2 is greater than or equal to num3. Yung rest naman dito is yung num2. So, this part basically, sine-check lang talaga kung anong num yung pinakamalaki. So, dito naman dini-display yung largest number or yung kanina na sine-check. Next, if rest is divisible by 2, print even. So, chine-check lang kung ano yung, kung divisible by 2. For example, yung num1 is 4, num2 is 8, and yung num3 natin is 1. So, yung biggest number is 8, which is even, and divisible by 2. So, mapiprint yung even. Otherwise, ugly ito print.